UK dealership forecourts are choked with pristine, unregistered Range Rover Evokes, Volvo XC40s, and Audi Q3s rotting on lots. These £60,000 premium traps are engineered to self-destruct the exact moment their warranties expire, leaving owners stranded with catastrophic air suspension collapses and bricked £2,000 touchscreens. Yet, 5 overlooked used SUVs completely dodge these financial landmines. Here at Auto Intel, we have audited the hard workshop data to expose the elite machines built for uncompromised, lifelong survival. Subscribe to Auto Intel right now to permanently protect your bank account, because our countdown begins with a budget tow monster. Hiding a secret German transmission, our countdown begins with a vehicle that suffers from an identity crisis, but possesses an absolute powerhouse of a heavy-duty drivetrain, the KGM Rexton, formerly known as the SsangYong Rexton. Look past the unpretentious Korean badge and audit the pure mechanical architecture hiding beneath the floorboards. Tucked into this chassis is an absolute masterpiece of robust engineering, a Mercedes-Benz sourced torque converter automatic gearbox. Early iterations utilized the venerable Mercedes NAG1 5-speed unit, while later facelifted versions adopted the highly refined Mercedes 7G Tronic 7-speed automatic transmission, the exact same high-strength gearboxes renowned for managing massive torque loads in elite German executive platforms and rugged military applications. The KGM Rexton is built upon a traditional ultra-rigid 3-layer steel ladder frame chassis, providing an unyielding mechanical foundation, boasting a maximum braked towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms, paired with a selectable low-range transfer case. Underneath, you will find massive solid steel axle casings, heavy-duty coil springs, and thick suspension control arms built to survive harsh treatment. The electronic low-range transfer case provides a true mechanical reduction ratio of 2.48 to 1, multiplying torque output to crawl through axle-deep mud or scale steep gradients without breaking a sweat. Clean, well-maintained post-2018 examples on UK listing platforms trade hands for anywhere between £9,500 and £13,800. Furthermore, because the manufacturer backed these vehicles with a generous 7-year, 150,000-mile factory warranty from new, you can routinely find dealer-approved used examples still covered by comprehensive factory peace of mind. Sourcing specialized parts can occasionally suffer from longer logistical lead times, and you must check for 2 documented vulnerabilities: localized, premature water pump weeping around the 120,000-mile mark, and early-stage surface corrosion along the metal fuel filler neck pipe. While that Mercedes-sourced transmission is incredibly tough, it demands a fresh fluid and filter service every 80,000 miles, without exception. Neglect this preventative maintenance, and the internal valve body will eventually fail, landing you a painful 4-figure specialist rebuild bill. An independent specialist can complete this service for under £250. It is a pure tool for the smart buyer, but it hides a massive secondary trap that could land you in legal trouble on UK roads, a hidden legal nightmare we will uncover later in this video. If your budget is even tighter and you need raw mechanical off-road hardware for under £6,000, our next vehicle presents a completely different mechanical mystery. This brings us directly to the Suzuki Grand Vitara, produced between 2005 and 2014, which represents the single most cost-effective entry point into a genuine, mechanically pure 4x4 system available today. Hidden beneath this unassuming bodywork is a suite of serious off-road components, a permanent 4-wheel drive layout utilizing a highly sophisticated torsion center differential, an electronically lockable center differential, and a true mechanical low-range transfer case. The torsion differential automatically distributes torque based on traction conditions, providing seamless grip on slippery tarmac. When things get truly treacherous, a turn of the dashboard dial locks the center differential 50-50, forcing the front and rear axles to turn at the exact same speed. Working examples regularly change hands on UK classified sites for anywhere between £1,500 up to £6,000 for a pristine, late-model example. Pay close attention to this next critical point. Clueless internet forums and amateur car reviewers will confidently tell you to buy the diesel variant to save money on fuel economy. They are completely and utterly wrong. The 1.9-litre DDIS diesel engine is a Renault-sourced power unit that represents an absolute minefield of unexpected expenses. It is notorious notorious for severe chronic diesel particulate filter blockages if driven on routine short journeys, alongside sudden catastrophic water pump failures between 80 and 100,000 miles. Rectifying a completely blocked or melted DPF on these older Renault units can easily land you a replacement bill exceeding £1,500, instantly wiping out your theoretical fuel savings. If you want a machine that is fundamentally unkillable, you must choose the naturally aspirated 2.4-litre petrol engine variant. It utilizes a robust internal steel timing chain layout and is completely free of complex, fragile emissions equipment, making it an incredibly stable long-term ownership prospect. This 2.4-litre unit features dual overhead camshafts, variable valve timing, and a reinforced aluminum cylinder block with cast iron liners, ensuring structural integrity under heavy thermal loads. With a highly capable 2,000 kilogram braked towing capacity, the Grand Vitara holds an exceptional 91% average MOT pass rate. However, before handing over your money, you must thoroughly inspect the rear chassis arches and the inner sills for structural rust. If the structural metal is solid, the petrol Vitara simply refuses to quit. It is a tough tool, but it lacks the family-hauling cabin space of our next contender, which hides a massive engine secret that lazy automotive channels completely lied to you about. Before we expose that engine secret, we have hit the halfway point of our countdown, and the data shows that most used car buyers are actively falling for predatory dealership traps. That one transmission insight on the Rexton alone is why people pay for specialized mechanical consulting. If you've found value in this hard workshop data so far, just hit the like button and subscribe to Auto Intel right now, so we know to keep producing uncompromised content like this. We are just moments away from revealing our absolute #1 spot, a whisper-quiet luxury masterpiece featuring an unkillable engine that routinely passes 500,000 miles, while entering the heart of London completely free of charge. But to truly understand how to cheat the system, you must first witness the mechanical honesty of our third-place survivor. We now reach the undisputed king of low-stress family motoring, the second-generation Honda CR-V, built between 2001 and 2006. Underneath this incredibly plain exterior lies one of the greatest petrol power plants ever devised by human automotive engineering, the Honda K-Series engine. Let us correct a massive, completely inaccurate piece of misinformation that lazy automotive channels constantly repeat. Clueless creators will tell you that this 2.0-litre petrol engine requires a costly cam belt replacement every 100,000 miles. That is a complete fabrication. The Honda K20 and K24 engine families famously utilize a high-strength, internal mechanical timing chain setup, completely eliminating the presence of a rubber timing belt. This chain is engineered to last the entire operational lifespan of the vehicle, requiring zero periodic replacement. The internal architecture of this engine is a marvel of simplicity, utilizing Honda's legendary iVTEC system to optimize combustion efficiency across the rev range. This mechanical honesty is exactly why the Independent Warranty Direct Reliability Index awards this specific generation of CR-V a near-flawless reliability score of 9.0 out of 10, ranking significantly higher than almost every single brand new vehicle Honda manufactures today. What are the actual real-world failure points you need to look for when auditing one of these machines? The external water pump can begin to weep past the 90,000-mile mark, but replacing it is a straightforward task that any local garage can complete for under £180, including parts. Additionally, if you hear a slight chattering noise coming from the rear axle during tight, low-speed turns, the dual-pump four-wheel drive fluid simply requires a fresh flush. Using genuine Honda fluid, clean, privately owned examples with comprehensive service folders routinely trade hands on the UK used market for under £3,000, with functional high-mileage bargains appearing under £1,500. The 1,800 kilogram towing capacity is perfectly adequate for light trailers or small touring caravans. If you want a dependable appliance that simply starts every single freezing winter morning without an electronic dashboard glitch, this is your weapon. Yet, as reliable as this family commuter is, it lacks the raw, heavy-duty motorsport heritage of our next vehicle, which was built specifically to survive a literal desert race. This belongs to a vehicle with pure motorsport DNA forged into every single chassis bolt, the Mitsubishi Shogun. This platform holds a monumental record of 12 separate Paris-Dakar rally victories, more than any other SUV platform in history. With a legendary 3,000 kilogram braked towing capacity, The long wheelbase Shogun has spent decades as an absolute staple vehicle for those who require uncompromised heavy-duty utility. The secret to the Shogun's immense versatility is its highly sophisticated Super Select four-wheel drive system, allowing the driver to mechanically switch between fuel-saving rear-wheel drive and permanent four-wheel drive. At speeds up to 60 miles per hour on the move, the vehicle features a unique monocoque body design with a built-in ladder frame, offering the structural rigidity of a traditional truck body, combined with the lower center of gravity of a modern unibody setup. Under the hood, the massive 3.2-litre four-cylinder DID turbo diesel engine produces incredible low-end torque, peaking at over 400 Newton-meters at just 2,000 RPM. Because the Shogun is a massive, heavy-duty, commercial-grade vehicle with an exceptionally high maximum authorized mass, pulling a heavy trailer at its maximum limit means you must carefully check your UK driving license categories. Remember that hidden legal trap I warned you about earlier? Because the Shogun carries a massive commercial-grade weight profile, pulling a heavy trailer or horsebox on UK roads means you must carefully verify your license categories, as many drivers lack the mandatory B+E trailing entitlement, instantly invalidating their insurance and risking heavy roadside fines. Now, let us audit the specific financial traps hidden within this platform. On manual turbo diesel models, the heavy-duty dual-mass flywheel is a known wear item that frequently experiences failure around the 110,000-mile mark, costing approximately £1,850 to replace. Furthermore, the Shogun's absolute greatest nemesis is structural corrosion. You must get completely underneath the vehicle with a high-powered torch to thoroughly check the rear chassis cross members, the fuel filler neck assembly, and the side step mounting brackets. These specific areas are notorious for trapping salt-laden winter road spray and damp coastal air, leading to catastrophic structural rot if left untreated. Despite these known inspection points, a well-maintained Shogun will routinely clock over 250,000 miles with basic oil services, trading between £2,000 and £4,000 for early variants, up to £20,000 for late-model SG3 versions. It is an old-school tool built for absolute survival. But if you want this exact bulletproof reliability wrapped in supreme whisper-quiet luxury that can enter the heart of London completely free of charge, you step directly into our #1 spot. Proving that supreme luxury, mechanical immortality, and modern city compliance can be exceptionally affordable, stands the Lexus RX 300 and RX 400h. This is the ultimate thinking man's luxury SUV, offering an elegant solution for urban drivers who want to completely bypass modern electronic unreliability. Nestled directly beneath this sculpted aluminum bonnet is the absolute cornerstone of Toyota's engineering legacy, the naturally aspirated 1MZFE or 3MZFE V6 petrol engine family. In North America, these identical engine blocks are thoroughly documented to surpass 500,000 miles with basic maintenance, while UK examples routinely glide past 250,000 miles, without showing a single trace of internal valve wear. The hybrid variant features an advanced electronic continuously variable transmission, or ECVT, which uses two massive electric motor generators integrated into the transaxle, removing almost every traditional automatic transmission failure point from the equation. For UK buyers, the RX 400h Hybrid possesses a massive operational advantage. Despite its size and luxurious V6 power plant, it is completely exempt from London's ultra-low emission zone charges, allowing you to slip into the capital with zero daily penalties, while averaging an impressive 45 miles per gallon around town. Let us outline the strict preventative maintenance realities you must respect. Unlike the chain-driven Honda engine we analysed earlier, these specific Lexus V6 power units utilize a traditional rubber cam bolt setup. This belt demands a fresh replacement strictly every 90,000 miles, or 6 years, without exception. Neglecting this service interval introduces the catastrophic risk of a snapped belt, causing the pistons to collide with the valves and instantly totaling the entire engine. Simply verify the individual hybrid battery cell health with a standard diagnostic tool. Inspect the aluminum bonnet hinges for hairline cracks, and enjoy an elite luxury machine that holds a near-flawless 96% average MOT pass rate. For as little as £4,500, showroom status and complex modern touchscreens fade into worthless repair bills within a handful of years. But honest, over-engineered mechanical hardware endures forever, while the mainstream crowd continues to sign predatory finance agreements on fragile, overpriced crossovers. The smart money chooses engineering that outlasts the trends, Make sure to subscribe to Auto Intel right now to permanently secure your financial freedom and gain access to our elite automotive deep dives. However, simply choosing a bulletproof mechanical survivor is only half the battle, because even an unkillable engine can completely bankrupt you if you fall victim to the predatory used car dealer scams and hidden paperwork traps running rampant across the UK right now. I have exposed those exact industry secrets and the mandatory checks you must perform in this specific video right here. Click it immediately, step inside, and protect your hard-earned money.